Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Splash Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5. This is a volume and price action system for EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame, and it can run either single positions or averaging grid mode. The developer shows strong historical backtest with high win rates. I also ran a full test to see how it performs in recent market conditions, so make sure you watch to the end of this video to get the full breakdown of the Splash EA. But before we dive in, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below. So make sure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now let's get right into the Splash EA. It was developed by Mikhail Golubev from Russia. He's not really popular on the MQ5 community. He doesn't have any ratings, but the expert advisor goes for 200 US dollars. It has no reviews, no comments. Okay, just 12 comments, but it doesn't have any ratings. Yeah, we have set files from the developer who intends us or anyone who buys to use these set files for the EA to work. All the comments are from the developer himself, so this is not a very popular expert advisor. Now let's get right into the mechanisms and the workings, the strategy behind the Splash EA. Now this EA combines rising volume detection using an averaging period and trigger ratio with price movement confirmation over a set period and distance. Now when both conditions align, it enters the trade and waits out till the trade is closed. Now it supports two modes: the single position trading with trailing stops or an averaging grid with lot multipliers, percentage based profit targets and loss limits. So we have the conservative side and we have the risky side. You choose the one you want depending on your risk appetite and your trading style. Now the seller highlights clean volume driven trades, high win rates, recovery factors, and flexibility to choose between conservative single trades or more active grid management on Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. Shows some massive backtests. We have an initial deposit of $3,000 and they took that to a total net profit of $65,103. It was on GBP USD on the 30-minute time frame from 2018 to 2021. Some impressive numbers like the win rate was 71% and profit factor was 5.98. And from 2018 to 2021, which is about 5 years, we are only seeing, which is about 3 years, sorry, we are only seeing 38 trades in total. So it's quite selective with the way it trades, but I think this was on the conservative uh mode, because remember we have two modes to this EA: the conservative mode and the risky mode, where we use the grid, the averaging, and all that. This is the risky one. We took 68 trades in 3 years. Still on still, it's selective in the way it trades, and in its selective nature, it does rake in some massive profits from what I'm seeing on their backtest. This is how the equity curve looks like. Show multiple backtests, testing the different sets. The set 1 and the set 2, which is the conservative and the risky modes. Now the key features include volume rising detection. Let's go to MetaTrader 5 inputs. We have the volume rising detection and we have the price move triggers. We also have the single or grid trade mode. You can choose which one you want. Now you want the single or you want the averaging grid. The grid here is spelled as greed. That's an emotion for someone to want a lot. Yeah, basically. But for this backtest, I used the single position, and this is the default settings from the developer with nothing changed. So these are the inputs that actually make sense, the inputs that matter. We have the adjustable lot multipliers, we have the trailing stops, the profit and loss percentage targets, the spread limits, the session filters. It's designed for traders who want volume-based logic with the option to scale positions when needed. These are all we have here. We also have sessions. You can choose which session you want the EA to work for you, time of the day, and even the days you want the EA to work for you. All of these are adjustable, and these are the defaults. Like I said, from the developer, I use these defaults to run a backtest on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame, and it was on a $10,000 account on every tick based on real ticks modeling, and the result was a small net loss of about $58. Remember, this is the conservative set, and we have a small net loss of just $58, and the profit factor came in at 0.93. We also have the max drawdown, which stayed low around 1.7%, and the win rate was still high. We have 78 to 79% win rate. The equity curve was quite choppy. Yeah, it had several drawdown periods and didn't fully recover by the end. And compare this to the developer's stronger historical results, my tests show the high win rate, but also how occasional larger losers can turn the overall performance negative. It started on a high note, as you can see, but then took some slow dips to the downside, and this is what you expect from these conservative settings. Remember, the settings that I used is the single position, and you can see taking single positions. Remember, this EA is very selective with its trades. In the space of 1 year, we took just 186 trades. Now these are based on the default settings from the developer, and if you want different set files to get to your preferred trade style or your risk appetite, you can use the different set files from the developer himself, Mikhail Golubev. You have so many set files here which you can choose from. Just check it out and see if you can set it on your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 and use it. But honestly, Splash EA has an interesting volume plus price logic, but the averaging and greed setting can bring real risks. The thing is, volume signals on 1 hour time frame can be noisy depending on your broker's tick data. And when the greed kicks in, even small adverse moves can compound losses. We also have the high win rates, which look good on paper, but the losers tend to be bigger on average. This EA is for experienced traders who are comfortable with volume strategies and who can carefully manage grid settings on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame, and also other pairs like the AUD USD, GBP USD. And it can work for proper accounts if you keep the multiplier conservative and you use strict loss caps. Beginners or anyone who dislikes greed or averaging risk should probably avoid this EA or should choose the single position settings instead of the averaging greed. Always test thoroughly on your own broker before using the Splash EA. Now, like this video if you want more real expert advice or reviews like this one. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss on further EAs which we're going to be dropping in a couple of days and weeks. Don't forget to grab the free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.